Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, explain about measurement to quantity. B is slightly bigger than A. C is considerably bigger than A. D is much bigger than A. B is approximately times as big as A. C is approximately 10 times as big as A. D is approximately 12 times as big as A. Look, examples: magnesium has a much higher tensile strength than aluminum. Now compare the following. Compare an aluminum with regard to their densities, irons, and zinc with regard to their tensile strength. Titanium and nickel with regard to their tensile strength. Copper and nickel with regard to their densities. Aluminum and magnesium with regard to their melting point. Copper and nickel have very similar densities, but significant different melting point and tensile strength. But the density and melting point can become fluorar, e.a. the density and melting point, but tensile strength normally remains straight. Now compare the following in the sum side. A. Cast iron and zinc. B. Aluminium and magnesium. C. Nickel and cast iron. D. Lead and zinc. The rod is subjected to a tensile load, thus it is said to be in tension. The material must be strong enough tension to withstand the load. In other words, it must be sufficiently strong in tension to withstand the load. It must have some tensile strength to withstand the loads. If material subjected to excessive load, they might break. Therefore, when a material is asset in a building, in a column, there is a maximum load which can be safely supported for any given cross section. If the force is known, the minimum size of cross section which will support it can be formed by substituting in the formula, where A area, B Fourth, N is a constant color beside a low web stretch. Example: Advanced of fine. Fine is thick inox and can be eroded quickly like inox. Dicyphettines, on the other hand, it has insufficient current resistance, and though available cross-sectional area is too great and unsafe. Conclusion: Therefore, the engineer will not just find this demand for electricity varies considerable during 24 hours. The best loss is the amount of electricity which is always needed and is the difference constant day and night. It is some flights by heavy-duty generator wings are powered by coal, oil, or natural fuel. The quantity of electronical which they supply in inflexible cannot be refilled easily. This is because the generator take take a considerable period of time to reach maximum capacity when they are start from rest. Plan of this kind is most economical it, if it is run at a constant load and full capacity.